Hey guys, so this is day 48 of the 0 to 100k dropshipping challenge, and we've been getting all these sales. So these are all sales from the last few days. We've been scaling pretty hard since the start of March. If you're new to the channel, this is basically a challenge that I do where I take a store from 0 to 100k in sales and I show you everything, how to find winning products, how to build a store, how to run the ads, and I do it myself and I show you the real proof on my store. I show you the store, the products, everything. If you didn't watch the first videos of the challenge, you'll find them in the 0 to 100k dropshipping challenge playlist. So now I'm going to jump into my computer. I'm going to go over the things that we'll see today and show you some results. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see the latest updates about the challenge. So today, first of all, I'm going to go over the results on the store, show you how many sales we've been getting. Then I'm going to go into product research, talk about the new product research strategy that I've been doing that I didn't show in my previous videos. Then I'm going to show you how you can design a high converting store. Then I'll talk about packaging, branding, how you can do the same thing without spending too much money. Then I'll go into what my ad testing strategy is. Then I'll go into my ads manager, show you the ads live, how much we spent on ads in the last few days. And then I'll show you some products that sold, okay? So for the sales, we're currently at £30,000 in sales only for the month of March, okay? So I'll give you guys a refresh just so you can see it. And then I'll talk about what I'm planning to do in the next few days, if I'm planning to scale, why I'm planning to scale, if I'm not planning to scale, and what the reasons are, okay? So, so now I want to go into product research and show you guys this new product research strategy that I've been doing. So I've been using this app, it's called PP Ads, okay? So I had to switch up between ads to find more and more products. So basically what's good about PP ads is three things that I saw is, first of all, you can do TikTok ads research. You can do Facebook ads research, which is what we'll go over today. And there are some AI tools that allows you to basically play with your creatives and do some pretty nice stuff, okay? That's very helpful with the ads. So for Facebook ads, basically, first of all, I'll choose the platform. I usually choose Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress. For the country, I choose United Kingdom because that's the country where I'm running my ads and where I'm planning to test. But you guys can see we have all the countries here. You can choose any of the countries you're looking for, like any country in Europe as well. For the language, I don't need to change it because it's in the UK already. CTA button, you can put learn more, shop now, whatever, but I like to keep it pretty broad. For audience, you can choose what type of audience. You can choose if you want with the landing page link or not. And if you want image, video, or nothing or something else, you can also filter by likes, comments, shares, reactions, whatever. And then you have the period here, okay? So usually for the period, I'll choose 1.5 months to 2 months, okay? So ads that have been created lately. And then I'll put the ad keyword. For me, it's dress because right now I'm looking for products more into like spring and summer, okay? So this type of products, so I'm choosing dress, and keep in mind, you can put all the keywords at the same time, okay? So it's better to do the research for each keyword separately, okay? So dress, jacket, coat, sweatshirt, t-shirt, whatever, okay? So then I'll sort everything by likes, okay? So basically I just put likes and I look into the products. And this is where it gets interesting, is that the products that I'm seeing here, you don't see on other platforms, okay? So this is what's good based on the filtering that you're doing, okay? So it's super important to use my filters. And then, for example, I take this example of this product here. The first product that shows up has 11,000 likes and it's a dress, okay? So we can just basically click here and we're able to see all the data, all the analytics about this ad in particular, okay? So you can see 11,000 likes, 10 comments, and we can see it started on the 23rd of March. We're currently only the 29th. And it's been running for this amount of time and already has 11,000 likes. So that means they're already scaling this product, okay? So what you can do is you can go into the advertiser here. But first of all, I want to show you can go directly into the final link and basically add it to your product research sheet. If you guys want to get access to my own product research sheet with over 100 products, it's completely free. You'll find it in the Discord channel, link is in the description. But this is actually a very good product. And one thing that I like to see is these not professional stores that are actually scaling products. Because if I put this product into my store, which is a very professional store that I'll show you after I go over the product research strategy, is gonna perform way better. I can like change the name, give it some nice name that looks cool, and it's gonna perform better than the competitor, okay? So another thing you can do is go into the advertiser link and you can see all the ads for this particular brand, okay? And you can see, for example, this one has 55,000 likes and they've been running since November 2023, okay? So they've been running this ad for 1.5 years. It's actually a very good product to test, okay? It means it's working for them, because if they've been running it for this amount of times, it means it's really good and it's well performing, okay? So then you can go into each one of these products basically and add them to your sheet and test them using my ad testing strategy that I'll talk about soon. Another thing is you can do TikTok research, same thing, okay? You can put like your platform, the country, and the ad run time, the creation date, and all this stuff, and get all these nice products, okay? You can also just click on dropshipping and you get just the dropshipping products, okay? Another thing is you can look into products, advertisers. So basically, if you find one product in particular, you want to see all the competitor ads, you can find just by dropping your image here, which is very helpful. And now I want to show you like the AI tools, okay? So for the AI tools, they basically have a video transcript generator. So for example, if you have a creative and you want some translation, basically have the captions there as well, which is very helpful for ads. You can have that just by dropping the video there. You have image translation. If you have an image from a Chinese supplier, you can put it there and it looks more professional, right? You're gonna have it in your country's language, and you can also remove text, okay? So these are all super helpful things for your ads. By the way, guys, if you want to get access to PP ads, you find the link in the description and you can get a 20% discount using my link and my coupon, okay? So you'll find it in the description. It's a very good ad. It's a very good app. You can use it to do your product research and it's super helpful, okay? So now I want to talk about how you can design a high converting store, okay? So this is an example of my store, what it looks like. I don't like to recommend something that I'm not doing myself, so I'm recommending to use the same store as me if you want to get the same type of results, but you can also get good results with other teams. Just make sure that it's an untapped team and that not a lot of people are using, just not like the Impulse team, for example, okay? Because everybody doing fashion is using that team. So this is basically what my team looks like. It's pretty simple. Just have these Trustpilot reviews on the bottom. Most important thing is, like I said, this team, not a lot of people are using, not a lot of people know about it. And it actually is very modern and it's very fast, okay? It doesn't like hurt when it comes to the speed score and stuff like that, because you can miss out on a lot of customers that basically click on your ad but don't land on the store because it takes too long for the store to basically load, okay? So that's why sometimes you'll see in your ads that you have more clicks than visitors on your store, okay? So this is super important, the speed of your website. Also, you can see that on the store, we have the required assets to convert, but it's not too much, okay? We have the reviews here, we have the icons, we have a little bit of FOMO here and here as well. We have the payment icons, the quantity bundles, and then we have the Trustpilot reviews on the bottom and a little bit more suggestions of products to buy and stuff like that, okay? So it's as simple as that. This is what my store looks like. If you guys want to get the same template, basically plug and play, make sure to shoot me a DM on Instagram only, okay? Don't try to DM me on Discord because there's way too many scammers trying to DM me on that platform, and they're scamming people. I've heard already people basically buying stuff from them. That's basically a scam, okay? So watch out with that. Only reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram is @realcmob, and you find the official channels in the description for Discord, Telegram, and Instagram, okay? So this is pretty much it, and don't trust anyone that reaches out to you saying it's me, basically, okay? Because there's a lot of people impersonating me. They use my profile picture, my name, and they DM people acting like it's me, but I never DM first, okay? So only way you can get in contact with me is if you go to my official channels and actually reach out to me, okay? So like I said, if you guys want the team, make sure to shoot me a DM on Instagram. You're basically gonna have to pay for the team because it's not free, but I'll be able to get it for you. It's plug and play. You can just drop it on your store and basically start adding your products and running your ads, okay? So now I want to talk about packaging. So packaging and branding, the way I do it is I only had thank you cards. So here are my thank you cards and stickers, okay? So here are my stickers, and this is basically how I brand my products, okay? It costs like $40 in total for 1,000 pieces of both, and I use GSR dropshipping to basically create these packagings for me. I also work with this new supplier. His name is FF Order. They also do thank you cards and stickers, so you find links to both private agents in the description. and these guys basically do all the fulfillment automatically. Okay, so if you guys are interested in getting in contact with them, you find the link in the description. It's completely free if you use my link, and you get VIP support. Okay, so just go create an account and then reach out to them on WhatsApp saying that you're coming from me, and you should be able to get the best customer support representatives and get the best prices. Okay, so this is when it comes to packaging. I also wanted to say now I'm going into branding my products. So I'm adding like tags inside my products. I'm also doing like some wrap around the papers that's fully branded, and branding the mailing bags. Okay, so the whole products are going to look fully branded and very professional, which can bring a lot of return customers. Okay, so now I want to go into the ad testing strategy and show you guys how I test products. Okay, so for the ad testing strategy, usually what I do is I do a $30 CBO, so that's Advantage Campaign Budget Plus. Okay, you find that on the campaign level. You can choose your budget there. I do $30, and then if I have one creative, I'll create one ad set. If I have three creatives, I'll create three ad sets. Okay, so one ad set per creative, one creative per ad set. Okay, so from there, I'll look at the spending. Okay, so when the product has, the campaign has spent a total of $10, I look at the cost per click and the add to carts. Okay, so if the cost per click is over $1 and we get 0 add to carts, I'll stop the campaign. Okay, so basically what I mean by that is that if you have one of these two criteria that's not met, so for example, you have one add to cart or you have a CPC under $1, one of these two, I'm gonna let it run until $20. Okay, so at $20, I only look at one thing at that point, it's the number of add to carts. Okay, so if I have an add to cart, I let it run. If I don't have an add to cart, I stop the ad. I don't look at CPC anymore. At $30 spending, I don't look at add to carts, I don't look at CPC, CPM, nothing. I only look at the sales. Okay, if I have a sale, I let it run until $60. If I don't have a sale, I stop the ad. So if I get a sale, I let it run for another 24 hours and I see the profit. Okay, so if my $60 spent on ads has been profitable and I'm making more than $60, at that point I let the ad run for another 24 to 48 hours, and then I look at scaling. Okay, if the ad is not profitable, I stop it. Okay, so that's as simple as that for the ad testing strategy. I get a lot of DMs, people asking me about CPMs, like the number of add to carts that I got, the CPC and all this stuff. It doesn't matter. After $30, I really don't look at this stuff unless I'm like scaling to big numbers. I want to track if something went wrong and I want to track it, and I'll talk about this later in the video. Okay, so that's when it comes to the ad testing strategy. Now I'm going to go into my ads and show you guys the results, and then I'll talk about the results for today and what I'm planning to do and what's happening currently with the store. Okay, so this is basically the ad manager. You guys can see in the last 28 days we spent a total of $17,000. Okay, so let me refresh this so you guys can see the results. So we spent a total of $17,142 to do over $40,000 in sales. Okay, so that's 31,300 on Facebook, but these numbers are not accurate because Facebook is not tracking everything. So don't look at this number, guys. Okay, you saw it on the store. We did 30,000 pounds in sale, which is around $40,000. And I wanted to talk about the actual result of you guys copying me, okay? Because I do this disclaimer in every single video. I show you the products that sold, but a lot of people are actually don't care about this stuff and are actually copying my products, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys the basic result from that, and I'll say how much it's useless and stupid to do that, okay? So if we look at the CPM here on my product, it was around $28, and I was already running this product for 15 days and I was scaling crazy, okay? Everybody starts tracking my creatives, looking at the products that I basically show you that sold, and they start copying it, okay? So I'll give you an example. For example, for yesterday, if we look at the CPM, which was $28, right? Yesterday, it was $50, okay? And if we look at the day before, it was 52, okay? So just so you guys get an idea, the CPM nearly doubled, because everybody is basically copying my products. And what you guys are doing I'm not talking about everyone, but some of these people are basically just launching a store, copying my one creative, copying my one product and running ads for that. And they're not getting results, okay? And they're just doing that basically to copy me, even though the disclaimer, I talk about this and I'll do this disclaimer again after this. They're just copying, not getting results, they're just messing up the challenge for me, okay? So that's basically like hater behavior, okay? And at the end of the day, guys, I told you multiple times, that this is not the way fashion dropshipping works. I'll talk about how it works, but like I told you, this is not the way to go. You're basically messing up the challenge for me. You're basically messing up the videos for everyone else. And I always have to find new products and do like 5 times or 10 times the work that I'm supposed to do if I wasn't sharing it on YouTube, okay? So if you guys want me to keep making these videos, please stop copying blatantly and just follow the strategy that I'm giving you. You'll also get access to over 100 products that you can test in my winning products sheet that I have on Discord, and it's completely free, okay? I also get a lot of DMs from people asking me why I'm not scaling even harder. Well, this is the exact reason, because I can't trust basically people on YouTube anymore to basically trust Facebook with high budgets, okay? I can scale to a high budget in one day, but everybody is basically copying that product. And even if all my metrics are good, I know that the next day they're gonna be worse because everybody's copying that product, and I see it on the ad library. And at some point, I'm gonna be showing you guys all these people copying me, okay? And you're gonna be able to see it. I just don't wanna do it now. I don't wanna expose people. But really, guys, you gotta understand about the way fashion dropshipping works, okay? So the way fashion dropshipping works is very random, okay? Product that works for you might not work for me. A product that works for me might not work for you, okay? So just coming, creating a store, copying my product, running the ads is just a stupid way to run this strategy, okay? What's important is to have a good flow of finding new products and testing these products, okay? Because the results don't come from a winning product that someone shared on YouTube, okay? A lot of these competitors are scaling that I'm showing you in the winning product sheet are scaling these products, okay? And these products are as good as what I'm showing you on the YouTube challenge, and some are even better, and people are scaling them to the even bigger numbers, okay? But what matters is that not all of these products are going to work for you. You need to be testing, you need to be following the strategy, you need to have a good flow of finding new products and testing products, okay? Just blatantly copying someone's one product that you think is going to work is the most stupid way to go over this strategy, and you'll never get results. You're just going to look ridiculous, and at someday I'm going to start exposing these people, and you're not even going to be able to run your store because you're going to be in the same situation as me, and you're going to be dealing with people that have the same mindset as you, which is copying other people's products, okay? So really, guys, I'm doing these videos because I want to show you, I want to share free value, I want you guys to succeed, but please don't make me regret this, and don't make me go as far as starting to expose some of this store from these people copying it. Also, I've had someone basically copy my store and also add my email as a customer support emails, okay? As a customer support email. So everybody is basically reaching out to me on the customer support, okay, guys? So please, just if you want to do this, do it in a serious way, and don't do these stupid mistakes, okay? Don't be stupid, and don't do the stuff that I tell you to not do, okay? And going as far as putting my email as your customer support email is really too much, okay? Again, I'm not going to expose you. I have the name of your store, but please, if you have been copying, make sure to change that email, okay? At least, okay? And at least you can receive your customer support emails, because I'm not replying to your emails for you, okay? So this is crazy, but I have to talk about it, okay? It's a little bit crazy at this point, but it is what it is, okay? So I'm gonna show you some products that sold, but please, guys, don't copy them, okay? So some of the products that sold, some of my products that have been performing good. First, wanted to show you this Alpina Merino shawl. Also, what's good about this product is that it doesn't have any sizes, kind of, you know, it's just a shawl, so people can wear it on top, and not gonna get issues with sizing, okay? It's also very good quality, very good profit margins, okay? So this is a very good product and was selling pretty good. Another one is going to be this Henry Premium Quarter Zip sweatshirt. This product actually found live on YouTube while I was doing product research. I tested it live on YouTube as well, and we're able to scale this to over $6,000 in the first week, okay? So these are the product, guys. Also, keep in mind, me running this strategy live on YouTube with all these people copying me is not as easy as when you do it without people copying you, for real, guys. Because when you find a product that you're scaling and you don't have anybody copying you, nobody basically sees that ad, it's way easier to scale it to crazy numbers, okay? But when you start scaling a product, you get a lot on YouTube and sharing it, basically, you get a lot of attention, everybody starts copying it, and basically Facebook is gonna see you all as competitor, and they're gonna treat me basically bad, and you guys are never gonna get results with that, okay? So please stop copying these products if you want me to keep running this challenge, and get over with it fast, okay? So I can get to 100K fast. You guys get the whole blueprint, and at that point, if you guys wanna copy whatever you wanna copy, you can do it, okay? But even though everybody's copying, I'm still gonna reach the number that I promised you guys, and we should be at 100K in the next few weeks. Hope you guys enjoy all this free value. Hope you're taking advantage of all these disclaimers that I'm sharing with you. If you want to get access to the team, shoot me a DM on Instagram at RealSimoB. If you want to get access to the winning product sheet, you can join the Discord. I also have a Telegram channel. You find the links in the description. Only go through the official channels. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Hope you're crushing it with your e-commerce journey. Really appreciate everyone for leaving these nice comments on the videos, and I'll see you in the next one.